Now, to start up this product, there are two methods. There's the maceration method, and then there's also the sun infused method. The maceration method is what we're going to start with. The first thing you want to do is prepare your carrots. Wash, dry. You can use fresh or dried carrots. If you're using fresh carrots, slice them thinly or grate them for increased surface area. If you're using dried carrots, ensure they are completely dehydrated to avoid introducing moisture. After that, fill the jar. Pack the jar loosely with the prepared carrots, leaving some space at the top. Then you add your carrier oil. It could be olive oil, it could be coconut oil, it could be grapeseed oil. But then the use of your carrot oil is going to determine what kind of carrier oil you're going to use. For example, if you want to use it for skincare, coconut oil is a good option. If you want to use it for cooking, olive oil is a good option because you know that coconut oil is also used for, you can cook with coconut oil, you can also use it for skin. Then seal and store. When you pour in the carrier oil into this bowl or any other container that contains your carrots, seal it and then store it in a cool, dark location. Let the mixture steep for at least 4 weeks, occasionally swirling or shaking the jar to distribute the content. The longer it steeps, the stronger the infusion will be. After 4 weeks, strain the infused oil through a cheesecloth or a fine mesh strainer into a clean dark glass jar and then compost the used carrot pieces. Store in a cool dark place after sealing the jar tightly, and then this should last you for several months. Now the second method is the sun infused method. Same process. Prepare your carrots, um, wash them, dry the carrots thoroughly. You can use fresh or dried. If you're using fresh carrots, slice them thinly or grate them. And then if you're using dry carrots, ensure that they're completely dehydrated to avoid moisture. You fill the jar, you add your carrier oil, ensure that they are submerged. But then now you expose it to the sun. You place the sealed jar, make sure that it's sealed, contain the carrots because you don't want cross contamination, and then you place it in a sunny location for several hours daily. Shake the jar occasionally during the day. Now, sun infusion can take longer than maceration method. It can take anywhere from 6 to 8 weeks. Monitor the color of the oil. As it deepens in color, the infusion is progressing. After that, strain the oil. After 6 to 8 weeks, strain the infused oil through a cheesecloth or a fine mesh strainer into a clean dark glass jar. Then compose the used carrot pieces. Seal the jar tightly and store the infused oil in a cool, dark place. It should last for several months. I'm going to speak about some additional tips. So, number one, consider using organic carrots and carrier oil for a purer product. Number two, experiment with different carrier oils. Okay, different oils have different flavor to see which you actually prefer. Then label your infused oil with the date of preparation for reference so that you can know how to track the shelf life of that particular product. Then also, remember that water and oil don't mix, and water can promote bacterial growth. So ensure your carrots are completely dry before using them to avoid spoiling the oil. If you notice any mold or off odor in your infused oil, discard it.